Examples of green companies' best practices. Green companies implement a variety of best practices to prioritize sustainability and reduce their environmental impact. One example is the use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to power their operations. Another example is sustainable sourcing, where companies prioritize purchasing materials from environmentally friendly sources and reducing their carbon footprint throughout the supply chain. Green companies also focus on waste reduction through practices such as composting, recycling, and the use of biodegradable materials. In addition, they promote eco-friendly transportation through the use of electric or hybrid vehicles and encourage employees to adopt sustainable commuting practices such as biking or public transit. Finally, green companies prioritize social responsibility by treating their employees fairly, promoting diversity and inclusion, and supporting their local communities. These practices not only benefit the environment but also contribute to the company's reputation and long-term financial success. This module, therefore, has the character of a summary of the best practices of green companies. Reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. It is one of the most important steps companies can take to reduce their environmental impact. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen oxide are the main causes of global warming and climate change, which pose a serious threat to life on Earth. Companies can work to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in a number of ways, such as by reducing energy consumption by using equipment and technologies that use less energy, or by reducing the amount of energy required to produce their products. Energy-saving solutions such as LED lighting, thermal insulation, and efficient fans are also being used. Using renewable energy, green companies are investing in systems that use renewable energy, such as solar panels, wind turbines, or biomass. By doing so, they reduce their dependence on fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Reduce emissions from transportation by using more efficient vehicle fleets or offering alternative modes of travel for their employees, such as bicycles or public transportation. Monitoring and reducing emissions from industrial production by monitoring production processes to identify sources of greenhouse gas emissions and working to reduce them. Also use greener materials and production technologies, such as closed material cycles and recycling. All of these steps require commitment and investment on the part of companies. But they bring numerous benefits in terms of reducing energy costs, improving brand image, and contributing to sustainable economic development. Saving water. This is another important aspect of sustainable business for companies. Water is one of the most important natural resources, and its limited supply is becoming a growing challenge around the world. Green companies are saving water in many ways, such as by reducing water consumption in production processes, by using technologies that enable more efficient use of water, such as closed water circuits, reducing the amount of water required for washing, or using water-saving devices. Using more efficient irrigation systems. For example, in the case of agricultural or horticultural activities, more advanced irrigation systems and moisture sensors are used to reduce water consumption. Reducing water losses in supply networks by upgrading water supply infrastructure or repairing leaks. Reducing water consumption by employees. Green companies are encouraging their employees to conserve water in daily activities, such as washing cars. Recycling and waste reduction. These are important practices of green companies that can help reduce the negative impact of business on the environment. It is necessary to mention here Minimizing the use of packaging and disposable products by using biodegradable materials, reusing packaging or offering products without packaging. Recycling, returning recyclables to recycling, using packaging made from recycled materials, or providing easy access to waste separation bins for employees and customers. Reducing waste in production processes by using more efficient technologies and processes, such as internal recycling, reusing recyclables or using waste minimization technologies. Implementing these practices can help companies reduce waste disposal costs and contribute to environmental protection. Companies that take these measures can also enjoy a positive image among customers, who increasingly appreciate the sustainable operations of companies. Improving energy efficiency. Companies that engage in energy efficiency improvements can reduce their energy consumption, cut greenhouse gas emissions, and save energy-related costs. A few ways that green companies are improving their energy efficiency are: investing in renewable energy, for example, in installations such as solar panels, windmills, or geothermal to reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and increase your energy independence. Upgrade plants and machinery to be more energy efficient and productive. Technologies such as LED lighting, thermal insulation of buildings, optimization of production processes, or heat recovery can be used. Training employees in energy efficiency to encourage them to take energy-saving measures, such as turning off equipment when not needed, or using energy-saving modes. Improving energy efficiency not only contributes to environmental protection, but can also help companies reduce energy-related costs and increase their competitiveness in the market. Supporting communities and environmental activities. Green companies engage in pro-social and pro-environmental activities and show their commitment to environmental protection. Here are some examples of such activities. Supporting local communities by investing in community projects, offering jobs to local residents, and supporting charitable activities. Supporting environmentally friendly activities, such as planting trees, recycling, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, or protecting natural habitats. Introducing innovative solutions that not only help protect the environment, but also improve the quality of life for local residents. For example, companies can use technologies that reduce emissions, such as air purification filters or the use of green materials in manufacturing. By engaging in pro-social and pro-environmental activities, green companies not only contribute to protecting the environment and supporting the local community, but also enjoy a positive image among customers, who increasingly appreciate the sustainable activities of companies.